la kuba x
yeah
multiply uJesu athi 2 times 3
6
akabuzi mina uthi nje 2 times 2 yona iyavela yo ithi 6 makaqeda athi www iwa1 yenza 6 athi www what yaziyenza yona ingathi board ingathi blackboard akubonisa ukuthi wa1 is 6 wn is 6 wn is 6 athi 666 666 ikhona ku website we back mawufika ekhaya ukhanda ama alphabet A is number 1 B number 2 C number 3 so W is number 23 so what just when I W makaqeda ku W kuphume 23 spiritually 2 yale 3 yale ungena x uJesu abuza athi 2 times 3 iyasiphendula ethi 6 makaqeda athi iw1 is 6 athi manje zingaki w z3 athi wabo 666 athi there is a 666 in the website so anybody abangena ku internet babheka ama website what be careful what you are doing on internet. It belongs to the fallen angels. Bana information yethu, bana information yama company. Ngoba iwe technology yabo. Ningizwa kahle ke? Then ke ngifuna ukuchaza le. Ngibatshelile sontweni 2 weeks ago ukuthi ngithenge angithi ngine cell phone le yami le. So ngithenge ama headset, ama earphone. Lama earphone lawa abhalwe double bass.
But in a bass enkulu.
Yes, abhalwe double bass.
Okay.
Yeah, so ke mangiyafakile ngasendlebeni ane bass. Manginyathele aba bass kakhulu njengemoto. Yes, manginyathele indlebe zami. So ngithenge lezi zinto lezi. So one day it was Monday. Ngiyaphuma ngasendlini Monday ngabo 2. Ngiyishiya lama earphone phezulu kwale stool lesi. Ngivula umnyango ngiyakhiya ngeketani ngiyaphuma. Mangibuya ngabo 6 ngivula umnyango ngikhanyisa kahle. Mangiyana ama earphone angithi angele ngasendlebeni then intambo yakhona.
Yeah.
Intambo le ziloko sihlezi lapha estuleni kodwa ikhathiwe 3 pieces. And indlebe lesi ipik asekho. And intambo akusikundwana akusinix. Mangiyithatha ngathi iloko ihlezi dewe ngibe ngakhona. Umoya wami wangitshela ukuthi there was a spiritual being ingilosibela. Ngathatha lento le ngayibeka lapha ngacabanga ukuthi okay